Now it's easier, faster, and less expensive than ever before to keep your customers' pool crystal clean. Dara introduces the Wonder Basket, the most durable and efficient universal skimmer basket on the market today, that collectively could save you an hour or more each day. That's 20 plus hours a month, improving your bottom line. Because time is money. You already know the pool's plastic skimmer basket is its first line of defense, but it's old technology. Now, for the first time in nearly half a century of pool filtration, Dara's Wonder Basket uses a fine and tough mesh bottom, which greatly improves its ability to skim away a laundry list of annoying pool pollutants. The mesh is so resilient, it'll last in the dirtiest of pools longer than the traditional hard plastic basket. The patented Dara Wonder Basket mesh collects smaller debris than standard skimmer baskets, such as dog fur and hair, bugs, seeds, and pollen that can clog a pump's impeller. The Wonder Basket can also retain more debris because the mesh forms to the shape of the debris pile, rather than make the debris compress into the shape of the plastic skimmer basket. As a result, you'll improve the flow through the skimmer and likely double the life of the filter cycle. That helps you save time and money and makes you look like the consummate consumer safety conscious pro in your customers' eyes. The Wonder Basket is also extremely fast and easy to use too. No more scraping out the plastic skimmer basket. No more banging the basket on the deck to knock loose the debris. No more having to pick up that disgusting, slimy, whatever that stuff is, into a trash can. And no more replacing the plastic skimmer basket because you broke it banging it on the deck. You simply push the mesh through the Wonder Basket, shake it a little, and pull the mesh back, rinse, and you're done with it in less than a minute or two. To make things even simpler, the Dara Wonder Basket is a universal skimmer basket. One size pretty much fits all applications. The Wonder Basket replaces some 30 different skimmer SKUs made by nearly a dozen manufacturers. So rather than transporting an array of bulky and varied shaped skimmer baskets in your work vehicle, the Wonder Basket makes it easy to keep a small and tidy stockpile ready when you need it. Contact us at wonderbasket.net. We'll explain how we can help you save time and make more money while impressing your client. The patented Dara Wonder Basket is available right now through local and national pool supply dealers and distributors, as well as online at wonderbasket.net. Let common sense and affordable technology help you build your business.